Hey guys, a new fan. This time it is a Gulf Coast. I'm not too sure of the model name, but it's ornate on the side. I have a feeling it might be called the Gulf Coast Excalibur, but don't quote me on that. It's basically a Georgian with an ornate sideband. There's the tag, if you can read it. Got this at a restore along with another Gulf Coast and a Dixie Belle. I think they're both made by Sinlix. I think this is from 1987. It's set to high on the thing, but I won't be using it because I think there's something wrong with the transformer or something in there. I think it's wired wrong. I'll have to do some troubleshooting. So set it to low. It's quite slow and low. Make sure it's straight. Yeah, that's straight. It's a nice fan. It was only $5, so I had to get it. I thought it was a Georgian at first, but I noticed the sideband. Actually, I noticed the sideband first. I didn't realize it had a tight weave can until I flipped over the blades. Yeah, 87, I think is when it was made. I'll go to it's a little buzzy, but it's probably normal. Downrod is an original. The original one was quite long, and actually the threads were messed up on it. So I had to use this downrod, which it might not match, but you can barely see it if I don't have it that way. You probably wouldn't even notice if I hadn't mentioned. Let's go to second medium. This is like right before high, so this is like medium high. It's got some bearing noise, but that's not surprising. It's a 32-year-old fan. In case you can't hear it. Nope, with the high. It's pretty powerful. It's a little wobbly, but it flies. Pretty fast. What are your RPM?
I don't know. It does seem pretty fast for golf course.
It's probably about K55 probably. Which of my Georgians feel like this? I haven't tested either of them. That probably feels like the same. Though there's some fans down there that I need to film. Yesterday I filmed the 1895. I haven't uploaded that yet. And there you have it, the Gulf Coast ornate thing that has issues. I'll try to get a video of it once it's fixed. Alright, thanks for watching.